Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel D Creations Resources. Today we are going to talk about the impact of artificial intelligence on science. Artificial intelligence is the buzzword today, and in simple words, it is like teaching computers to have a brain so that they can learn, they can solve problems, they can make decisions, all just like humans do. So instead of being told exactly what to do for every single situation, AI learns from lots of information or data to understand patterns, and it gets smarter over time. So it helps machines do tasks that usually need human intelligence. Now, where do we need that? For example, when you want to understand a language, or when you want to recognize objects, or even, for example, playing games. Everywhere you require human intelligence. Now, machines are being taught this. So, in a way, it's like a human. Just like we learn new things and we learn from our experiences, AI learns from information and experiences as well. And the way we solve problems, like when you have a puzzle, you're going to use your brain to figure it out. Similarly, AI is also going to use logic and patterns in data to find solutions to problems. Or when you want to make a decision, right? We weigh all the options and then make a decision. So AI systems can also look at lots of choices and pick the best one the way we decide. And AI is there everywhere. So it could be in smart assistants. So for example, when you ask a smart speaker to play a song or tell you the weather, it is using artificial intelligence to understand your voice and then to find the answer. Or even in many video games, AI is being used to make the games more challenging and fun. And there are some bigger applications, so as to say, like self-driving cars, which again are making use of AI. Now, what about use of AI in the field of science? So let us try to take some simple examples. Now, as we know that when you are teaching a robot to sort toys by color, that is something which is done under AI, and at first you will have to show it each color one by one. After you show it enough examples, the robot learns to sort the toys all by itself. So now, how to make use of this skill in science? Now think of astronomy, exploring space. So space is huge, and scientists collect massive amounts of data from telescopes and satellites. So in that respect, AI is like a super speedy assistant that is going to help them make sense of it all. So if they want to find planets, then AI can quickly scan through the information from telescopes to find tiny dips in stars' brightnesses, which might mean a planet is passing in front of it. Also, there's classification of galaxies. So galaxies come in all shapes and sizes, and AI can help sort through thousands of pictures of galaxies and classify them into different types much faster than a human could. Then AI can also predict changes on our Earth. So when it comes to forecasting the weather, AI will analyze huge amounts of weather data to make more accurate predictions about things like hurricanes or floods. And this helps the communities to get ready for severe conditions if they know about it in advance. Or tracking wildlife. So AI-powered tools can analyze satellite images to detect illegal deforestation and monitor wildlife population in faraway places, helping protect animals and their habitats. How about the field of medicine? So AI is used to help doctors with important jobs in healthcare. Now, we know that there are medical images. It could be X-ray scan, a CT scan, etc. So AI can look at these scans and other medical images to help doctors find problems like a broken bone or a sign of disease. And it can also help in creating new medicine. So scientists can use AI to test millions of different drug combinations virtually to find the most promising ones. And this can help create new medicines much faster and cheaper. AI can also help in building better materials. So chemists and engineers, they're discovering new and useful materials. And for example, now if you want to prepare solar panels, so AI can suggest new combinations of materials for making solar panels so that they are better at turning sunlight into electricity. Or when it comes to batteries, scientists can use AI to find new materials that can make car batteries last longer and charge faster. So AI is transforming scientific research by augmenting and accelerating discovery across a wide range of disciplines. AI systems can analyze vast data sets, they can automate complex tasks, and they can generate new hypotheses, leading to faster and more accurate results than traditional methods. So we already saw some examples in different scientific fields. So we talked about biology and medicine, where AI is accelerating drug discovery by screening huge libraries of chemical compounds to identify promising drug candidates. It can also analyze genomic data to find genetic markers for diseases, paving the way for personalized medicine. And there was a major breakthrough that came with AlphaFold. It's an AI tool that predicts protein structures with high accuracy, and it has literally revolutionized the research in biology. We also spoke about applications for physics and astronomy. So AI helps manage and interpret the enormous data sets from telescopes and particle accelerators. And as we said, AI algorithms can detect exoplanets, they can classify galaxies, they can identify new types of waves. It could be gravitational waves. And generative AI has also been used to produce sharper images of black holes. Now, when it comes to particle physics, AI filters huge amounts of particle collision data in real time. So it can help scientists find rare events that might lead to new discoveries. Then we spoke about climate science and environmental studies. So AI improves the accuracy of climate models and weather predictions by processing complex data from satellites and sensors. It can also help monitor deforestation and track wildlife populations to support conservation efforts. And then we mentioned about chemistry and material science. So generative AI is being used to design new materials and molecules with desired properties, vastly expanding the exploration of chemical design space. And AI can also plan multi-step chemical synthesis more efficiently than humans. Then robotics. We began with the example from robotics. So AI-powered robots are used to automate experiments in labs, especially those involving repetitive or hazardous tasks, where it is not advisable for humans to be exposed to these things for a long time. AI replaces it through robots, and this definitely increases the throughput, precision, and safety. So these were some examples. So if you want to think about how AI is fundamentally changing science, well, there's hypothesis generation. So AI can explore complex data sets to identify patterns and generate new testable hypotheses that human researchers might miss. Or experimentation. So AI can assist in planning and executing and monitoring experiments, often with greater efficiency and accuracy than traditional methods. Then simulation. AI-powered simulations allow scientists to model complex physical and biological systems, such as molecular interactions or black holes, as we talked about, far faster than before. Data analysis, of course, AI can quickly process and interpret massive amounts of data from various sources, revealing hidden correlations and patterns. And AI can also help in literature review. So, using natural language processing, AI can analyze and summarize vast bodies of scientific literature, helping researchers stay up to date and find connections across disciplines. Now, of course, there are significant benefits, but there are challenges as well. So, the challenges could be in terms of data quality or algorithmic bias or some ethical concerns which need to be addressed to ensure responsible and effective use of AI in science. So, the future of AI in science involves deeper integration into all stages of research, potentially leading to fully autonomous AI systems capable of scientific discovery. So we can say that AI has rapidly transformed science from a manual hypothesis driven endeavor into a data driven collaborative enterprise. And at its core, AI accelerates innovation by uncovering patterns in massive data sets and predicting outcomes with high accuracy and even suggesting novel hypotheses that might elude human intuition. So now the day is not very far when we can find autonomous laboratories where closed loop systems, where AI is planning experiments, controlling robots, and analyzing results in real time. Or there could be democratized discovery cloud-based AI tools which enable researchers worldwide, regardless of sources, to test hypotheses and access cutting-edge analytics. And there could be interdisciplinary synergy, so greater convergence of computer science, domain expertise, and ethics, etc. And it can shape new generation of scientific breakthroughs. But of course, there are ethical issues and responsibilities which are very important, and they need to be considered. Only then can we have a look at or focus on the advantages of AI. We need to be concerned about the bias and transparency, and there could be some new issues like about authorship and credit. If AI has done it, who gets the credit, etc. So, the future, of course, is going to involve AI. It has already started with use of AI in science, and it is not going to stop abruptly anywhere, but one has to look at all the ethical and responsible aspects of it in order to make best of it. Thank you.